Hi everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to see the Library tab on YouTube. Let's get started. First, open the YouTube app on your mobile device. Once you're in the app, look at the bottom right corner of the screen and tap on your profile icon to access the Library tab. Inside the Library tab, you'll see several useful sections. History, to view videos you've recently watched. Playlists. Here you can view and manage all your saved playlists. Your videos, this is where you'll find videos you've uploaded. Downloads, shows the videos you've downloaded for offline viewing. Movies and TV, if you've purchased any movies or shows, you'll see them here. And you might also see a prompt for YouTube Premium if you're eligible. Just tap any section to explore your content. And that's it. You've successfully accessed your YouTube library. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.